Hey guys, so in this episode is going to be a little bit darker. Yeah, I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to be talking strictly pretty much about fundamental analysis and how what could happen in the election determines a freaking lot. Um, and I'm going to give you the estimates on that. So let's go over here. Alright, so as you can see on TradingView, I have drawn a massive chart thing. Alright, did some chart patterns. Alright, so you may want to know, I'm going to just start off right here, what this is. What is this? This is this pattern right here, which started the coronavirus downtrend. I took that, I basically made it really, really, really small, and it fits pretty darn perfectly with this. So as you can see, like it has its run up, consolidates, massive, a secondary run up. So I'll just stretch that a little bit more. Yeah, we have our big run up, boom, 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 oh, boom, boom. And you can see it does a little pullback here just like that. And as you can see right there. Right, so I'm just going to erase that now because we're done with that. Now, as you can see right here, I have some trend lines drawn. So these trend lines are very important because this is a really, really hard support and resistance right here. So here's a resistance. We have a support right here. So at basically whatever this resistance is at here. Hold on. What is it? My index is. Okay, hold on. All right, so this is like around 138, and it's been sitting there for quite a long time now. As you can see, use it as a support and then a resistance, but then we have a double bounce. So give me just a second, move that back. All right, so as you can see, this is also a really strong trend line because it stopped this massive downtrend right here. And thanks that trading TQQ. So this is TQQ on the 30-minute chart using Helsinki Ishi lines, which I love to use. All right, so as you can see right here, you have a double bottom reversal. Double bottom, half reversal, but still on a downtrend. So this is not a full double bottom. They have to hit the same place. Look, double bottom. Not a double bottom, but they always like to reverse with the double bottoms or the double tops. And as you can see right here, we have a triple top, a double top, and now I think this might happen. So this might be a pretty big week. This might be a pretty big week because the breaking point is somewhere in between October 26th through October 28th. Somewhere in between there, I think the market's either going to break down or up, and I think it's going to break down. And I think I know why, because there's a little bit of bad news. Everyone's scared about the election, so they're going to start pulling stuff out. So what's going to happen is everyone's going to start dumping and wonder what they're doing, and then they're going to basically go up back on their decision and probably buy more later. But usually with Democratic presidents within this election, it tends to have a big dip for the first year, a pretty big dip, and then it starts to go up. So, yeah, it tends to have a pretty big dip, and then it goes up even farther, around 40% as the market as a whole. But let's just think about this for a second. If a Republican tends to do it, it tends to go up first, but just not as far. And then it does a lot of pullbacks. But especially if the president has already been in office before, then everyone knows their style, so they're not going to disrupt anything, making the market secure again, and basically just what I'm saying is, if Donald Trump wins, the market is going to continue to go up and on this break. If Biden wins, it is going to continue and break most likely down. I know it's on November 4th, and that's when the election is, but we're already in a triangle formation, and we're already on a downtrend. the 200 SMA, which is this SMA line right here. I'm going to do a fundamental analysis on that in a second. Wait, and by the way, this is a pretty big resistance line. So I'm just going to scroll out. All right, so this is the coronavirus from here to here. That was that big drop. Massive, massive push up. Boom. Was that it, or are we going to go back up? So if we go back here, I'm just going to go back to the, not the week chart, the day chart. Let's go back to 2018, 2016. 2016, July, August, 2016. All right, so as you can see right here, no, I'm going to go to SPY this time because it's been going for a lot longer. All right, so as you can see, 2008 and 2009, generally, that's when Obama got elected. It took a downtrend. All right, downtrend first, but then overall recovered, and then in 2000, 2000 in 2000 in 2012, when that election happened, you can see that since the president was still in office, it continued to go up, and that it's just continued to go up until 2016, where everyone got scared a little bit and were kind of feeling it, and then Donald Trump won, basically saying, all right, well, it needs to go up, so it went up. And then let's go back to, yeah, pretty much just that stuff. And then, well, the market fundamental analysis are there. So just think from like 1998, from 1998 to 2008, which was the high, this could have been a massive double bottom because the market likes double bottoms. I mean a double top, and it could have just continued to go down, but it found a support right here, which is completely fine. But just think about that. That was like the longest year span ever, and it took control of it. All right, so when all this happened, you can see if the president is still in office, what it is doing, and then also you can see what the market is thinking in general for who's going to win. And right now, the market. So I'm not saying this. Donald Trump is more scheduled to win because the market is being more volatile than ever, as you can see right here. Boom, boom. So is this a double top? Is this a double top? Because this would be a perfect double top right there. Boom. And we could be heading down. Yeah. Basically, I'm just saying, be wary of the next 2 weeks. You might want to see something about that. And then I like the 30-minute chart, but this determines a lot. So as you can see, I disabled the uptrend and downtrend. All right, so you can see there's a cross. It confirms downtrend. It goes below, and now it's starting to go back down again. So I'm just going to go to TQQ because that's what I love to trade. So if I turn it off and erase all that crap, you can see it's closing. It's closing like that. And as you can see, the market pretty much did the same thing over there by doing it slowly and then closing like that. It's different when it's almost a straight line down like that, and that didn't happen. This was more of a curve, and yeah. Basically, I'm saying if it's more of a curve like this, it means that it identifies the trend better. If you know what I mean, like this. That did identify the trend better, so that's just literally, it looks like two lines, slopes up, boom, it confirms the uptrend. That could be a double top, comes back down, and now it's sloping again and consolidating. So there's just a lot to be worried about. Take your trades lightly. Try to stay under your means. Just be ready, okay? That's what the entire point is. So thanks for watching. See you later.